Hello, it's me again, and my wife, and I'm going to show you how to uh, take the Python examples in Deepstream and run them through YOLO. And then what you're going to do is we're going to take the YOLO and we're going to extract metadata out of it. Now I'm VNCing into my Xavier NX because that's what we're running on. So it looks a little uh, sketchy, but as you can see over here, it's running about 30 frames a second. So, and then you can see I've got it's looking at birds, and what I've done is, and it's actually detecting the birds here. So, and this is YOLO, and like I say, we're running about 30 frames a second. So I'm going to stop this real quick. And then what I've done is I've taken the just this regular Deepstream test3 .py that comes with the Deepstream Python applications, and I've modified it um, to run the YOLO application. So what I did is that's this one. Let's see. So what I did is I've took it and I've modified it. This is the one that's been modified, and this is the original one. So as you can see, to get all the metadata out of it, I had to add this to it. Let's get up even higher, right here. I added all this. And by the way, I'm going to put this in a GitHub repo so you guys can do this if you want. I had all this, and I had to add this. But generally, other than that, everything's the same. I down here to get it to display in the box up there. Um, you picked whatever class you wanted to display up there. I'm doing the birds and persons. And like I say, it's just the modified version of this regular Deepstream test3 Pi. And then that's all it is. And then what it is, once I modified, the other big modification is this right here. What I did is I modified it, and then I threw it in the object detector YOLO folder. I threw it in this folder right here. Now, and then the labels are still the same using everything that's in there. And the only thing I really did differently was here. I told it to use the config infer primary YOLO v2 text for the YOLO thing. That's basically all you got to do to get it to run the YOLO, the model. So I did that, and that's pretty much it. So what you do is, here's my GitHub repo. I'll put a link to this, and I've put it in here, right here, deepstream test3.py. And then this. So just take this, clone the repo, take that, copy it, and place it in the object detector YOLO folder of your Deepstream application, and just run it, and it should just run just fine. Like I say, as you can see, it was running 30 frames a second. I VNC'd into it, so that's why it's all kind of sketchy. But if you don't do it VNC, you just run it on the Xavier NX, it runs just fine. So I'm also going to show you that since we're running YOLO, I've got this one MP4 file. That's why I did the Deepstream 3 one, because that can run the MP4 files. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to run the other one, the one that runs all the time. So we're going to go to samples, streams, and then the sample right here. Nope. Some properties. Copy. So we're going to run this one. Okay. So this is like your default one. As you can see, it still says it's bird. Watch. See, you can tell it's doing YOLO because it's got the backpack, the bicycle. So you can tell that it's running the YOLO model. So, and then this one's running, like I say, it's running 30 frames a second. So, but anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put a link to this. See who we got persons here. I'm going to put a link to this folder, this file that has the everything to run this. So just basically when you clone the repo, just basically take that Deepstream test3.py and stick it in this folder, and then that's it. That it should run. All right. Well, thank you. I hope you guys good luck on trying on getting it to run. Thanks. Bye.